Hi and welcome back, my name is Emelie. In this video I will share a sneak peek of a new product that is coming out from Trinity Stamps tomorrow. So stay tuned because tomorrow will also be a video hop and an Instagram hop if you like to follow along for a chance to win amazing prizes. But for today's video I'm gonna share a sneak of a die, a standalone die called Heart Swirl, and it's just beautiful. I know that is just a die. When I see it, I know I will need to get it and to have it in my stash and use it all year round because it's just one of those fantastic products. So I started off by creating a gradient panel here from super light pink to a purple on the bottom. And you can see I will go back and forward a little bit more to get a perfect blend, and I'm using my Trinity Stamps blending brushes here. They worked fine. I just love my blending brushes, but I had to work it a little bit just to get that intensity at the bottom here. The brushes always give me such a nice blend and a softness to it, but here I wanted to go in a little bit more heavy, so I needed to work it a little bit more. So I splattered it off camera, and you can see here I'm taking the die and personally will die cut the panel a lot of times, and I did that off camera so you didn't have to see me do that. And you can see the white hearts here, I cut them out of some fun foam, and now I will raise all of these images up and we can put it all together like a puzzle and it would look amazing. I promise I will share here in a second how it looks, but first I will take some time and just adhere all my pieces to that fun foam. And then I will start at the top of this, just putting down some wet glue and positioning it in the right spot before I'm moving on. So here you can see I will cut away the exit parts that I will not be using for this project, and then I can raise this up so it creates this really cool background. And for the center part, of course, for the effect I need to glue that in place as well. And then I can take my next puzzle piece and just layer that slightly further down, and then I can do the same thing here. I'm sorry I'm a little bit off camera, but I think you get an idea of what I'm doing here. And I will adhere that, and of course that little teeny tiny part as well. And that is what's nice with tools. Trinity Stamps has these really nice pickup tools that you can use for small bits like this and just press it down. And then you can have the next panel going across. And you can see I'm just working my way down. When I was done with this, I'm sort of at the end here. I will also use a sentiment from a new stamp and coordinating die set. This one, in a second here you can see it. This one is called Simply Sentimental Love. And if you know the previous release from Trinity Stamps, you know they came out with all of these amazing sentiment like sets, and here is a new one with love, and I just love how this turned out. I cut it out of white paper for the shadow piece and then gold paper for the sentiment itself, and of course I popped it up with some fun foam as well just to tie in the feel of this card. And from that stamp set I also heat embossed a coordinating one that says All My Love. And I think this is a card you can give to anybody at Valentine's Day. It doesn't say I love you, it says all my love, and I think that is more a neutral saying on a card. I find some, I think these are old actually, but they are from Trinity Stamps, some embellishments. I can link similar products in the description box below, but I really think these coordinated nicely with the product that I had going on here. So that finished off our project for today. I hope you stop by tomorrow for the release day and the party for that. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!